Hello, it's Gem Games here, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to copy an emitter from a particle system to another one. So yeah, let's get started. In this case, I want to copy these sparks from this. And you would think that you can just go to here and like copy it and paste it to here, but you cannot. So how you want to do it? You want to go to your content browser and you want to select your target emitter, the one that you want to copy the file or the emitter to. So in this case, this tutorial. And now you want to go to the source, so where you want to get it from. So in this case, this P impact metal. Now I want to select the emitter. I want to right click, emitter, export emitter. Now, when we go to this tutorial, you can see we have these sparks here. So it's that easy. You just have to have the target selected on the content browser and you want to export it from the source. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.